Ready? Now we're ready. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here in a motovlog because a lot of people have asked me for it. I've seen it in the Instagram comments, I've seen it everywhere. So many of you are asking me for a motovlog. And today we're not in Andorra, sorry guys, but today we're not in Andorra. Today we're here in Spain, in Españita, in Spain, in Andorra. Wait, I was going to say Galicia. So taking advantage of the fact that here in Galicia there are a lot of mountains, there's a lot of territory where you can ride the motorcycle without any problem or anything. We're going to record a motovlog and it's going to be pretty fun. I'm telling you, I have the helmet, the GoPro, everything. The motorcycle is right back there. It's wild, I promise you it will be. Honestly, I'm not sure which way we'll go. It's going to be a bit improvised going along the paths and all that, but it's going to be kind of like an ASMR video. I don't know how to put it, okay? I don't know if it's gonna be ASMR or if it's gonna be noise, wind, and destruction, so let's just get on the bike and take a little ride around here through the mountains. So, taking advantage of the fact that I'm going to Andorra again soon. Let's make the most of the day so without any more problems. Let's get ready, put on the helmet, start the bike, and head out to an awesome place. First, we'll head back there. I'm not sure where it leads or if there's even an exit, but we'll check it out and explore everything along the paths here. So without further delay, let's put on the helmet and go. Oh, one last thing. Before we start the video, I also wanted to tell you to leave a big like on this video, it's very important, and make sure everyone is subscribed so you don't miss any videos. Turn on the notification bell so YouTube alerts you when I upload a video. Is there a better way to let you know? I don't know, so I'll just put on the helmet and let's go. Danger, high voltage, danger of death. It says right there, danger of death. I've never seen a sign telling me to be careful because I could die. Of course it doesn't matter. Well, let's go. Come! Of course, if I don't press here, he understands, but it doesn't matter. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Hey, I wanted to go back there before to see what was there. Whoa, wait, I can't go through there. What do I do? How do I turn around? Let's see, I think we have to go back a little. Cough, cough, cough. Okay, careful, or we can go over here and that's it, haha. Okay, so what was back there was absolutely nothing because there's a lot of path full of grass, so let's keep going. Let's keep going, let's continue. Look at all this firewood, huh? Mom. Car, we have to be careful with the cars. Okay, again. People look at me a bit strangely because, like, what the heck, a motorcycle? Of course it's not a GoPro on my head. And it's normal, you know, that they get surprised. Obviously, you don't see this every day. And now it's this way. Oh, oops, back car. There are quite a few potholes around here, huh? Damn it. Okay, that's reverse. Come on, reverse. Alright, come on now. Okay, I was just checking something, but alright, we're going up here, right? Let's see what's there, I don't know. If not, let's go. There are more bumps and more rocks. And of course, the best path to take, no doubt. Oh. Alright, you won't be able to hear anything over here, huh? Everything looks so cool, doesn't it? Camino, hey, see you later. I think he honked at me. I'd like to go now to a really cool place where there's like a river. And this way here, where does it lead exactly? Let's see. Nowhere. A road is the one that comes over there, so I'm leaving. I don't want to get hit by a truck, guys. I don't like it, huh? I wish we were in a truck. Next video, no motovlog, just driving a truck. Can you imagine? We have to go in through here, so pay attention. Whoa! Oh my god, this is hard. Por tres! Okay, under control. We got it! Let's hit the river truck, guys. It's great. I hope the little dog isn't there. I don't want to disturb him. No? Yeah, damn it. Is the little dog bothering you again? No, it's fine. We're gonna get through this without any problem. No way. I won't be able to get through. I think you will. I don't know yet. It doesn't matter. So now we're heading to the river trail, and honestly, it's going to be pretty cool. Let's go. Oh my gosh, but where? Which way do I go, man? I couldn't have taken a road with no cars or anything, right? We have to come by land through the mountains, of course. God. There's a little dog there. Oh, what a little dog. Let's go. Don't go out to my death. Okay. I think it was that way, if I'm not mistaken. Not that way, right? Neither that way? Yeah, I think it was that way. We have to take a break now, right? To look at the river and stuff. It should be nice, really. Shit, more people, man. Oops. Oops, I don't want to bother you, man, but I just can't do it at all. Opera. I don't want to scare the dog. I just want to reach the river. This path is really beautiful. It's like a lot of forest. There's firewood there. We need to take it. And what's that? I thought it was someone lying there, a bag or something. I don't know what it was. Here's the river. Wait, let's stop. Let's stop. Here, let's stop. There's no one here, right? But look at the river, how beautiful it is. Thank you. Didn't we come here once with my brother? I'm not sure. But honestly, it's beautiful. Alright, so this would just be the river. Oh, by the way, look! I can record without having to hold it in my hand. It's really cool, isn't it? Further over there, I think there's a main road we could visit, honestly. Let's see, let's go over there. But we can't take it because it's like the road ends, and here there's another road where a lot of cars do pass by, so let's turn around and come back. Oh! Aha! Right where they're doing construction. I don't know if you can see it all the way at the end. Let's go check it out. Or maybe we're missing it, I think, huh? I don't know if you can see the machine right there at the very end. Let's get closer. Thank you! Yes, that's right. You can't go through there. Okay, it was gonna be difficult, honestly, so let's turn around. Not that way, because if you look, there's machinery working and things like that. So we turned around and left. Wow, the mud! There are 3 of us! So much mud, man. So much mud. Wow. Wow, it got me all over, huh? Because I'm dumb, man. I'm really dumb. Whoa, I almost bit into a stone, huh? What a beautiful sunset. Well, not really sunset since I don't even know the time. But anyway, oh! Let's grab the mud. Oh. Oh no, if I fall, I'll get all muddy. Here comes mud. Oh! Here comes the mud. Whoa, that wasn't a pothole, man. That wasn't mud. I thought that was a person. Take that. But no. You'll see what it is. It's water. Let's see, into the water. Okay, I don't know why I get myself into these paths of stone and dirt and water. But look at the water. Look at the water. Haha, here we go. Right now, I have to be behind the sweatshirt. I have to be there. Let's go. More water. Come on. Oh, damn it. Oh, enough already. I think we could move on now, actually. I don't really know where, honestly, but I like to go over there, but obviously you can. I don't know. Over here, over there. Let's see what's around here. Well, there's nothing here actually, huh? Not much is there, so I turn around. It's like the main road. No, I don't know. Yeah, there's a main road over there. I think it's down there. Atete, atete. Wait, if it's in the framework, I almost fell. What a view, man. So cool. Turn around here since this is already the main road and all. I don't know. Bravo. Cabernito. shit, which way was it? Here, right? Oh my god. Okay, I think we're gonna go back this way, and over here if it's cold here. Come and steal it. It's just that look, guys, kids, it's just that look. Look at this, look at this. I don't like this, man. Seriously, I don't like it. It's awesome, man. Or can you see everything? Like I'm recording a story. Let's see if you can see it in real time. Alright, let's record a story. Let's clean the screen a bit. That's good. Shit. Done, see? I have to have all of this behind me. I'll give it to you. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Let's go. Oh! Subtitled. Now we're ready. Alright, we stop here. Oh no, it's not here. It's further down, right? I don't know. Oh my god, a car. A beat up car, man. Look over there. There? A car that's like broken, right? It's weird. It's okay, it's okay. Subtitled. Wasn't it, right? What was around here? Well guys, if you like these kinds of videos, I want you to leave a big like down below and let me know in the comments which part did you like the most, or if you like the video in general or whatever. And subscribe, it's very important so you don't miss any videos. Turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on when I upload and when I don't. Thank you so much for all the support you've been giving me on my recent videos since I upload videos I don't know how long, but anyway, I'm gonna be more active. I promise I'll be much more active. We're going to record a lot more things and we're going to do it this year, 2022. So guys, without further delay, I'll see you in the next video, challenge or madness. So bye.